A Chief Ministers level meeting was held today, the 24th of May 2023 at Guwahati, Assam, where as part of the second phase of border talks between Assam and Meghalaya, and also while taking into account the unrest and conflict in recent times between the Karbi and Jaintia communities, the Chief Ministers of both states have decided to conduct a joint visit to West Jaintia Hills and Karbi Anglong areas in June this year. It was also decided that the regional committees of both states will submit their reports by July end, after which another review meeting between both chief ministers will be held. In the meanwhile, the Survey of India has been asked to continue with their survey work of the first 6 areas of differences and complete their surveys within the stipulated time frame.
The Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi Anglong and West Jaintia Hills, where we know that some tension has come in. And this visit is mostly to appeal to the people that we should maintain peace, to give them the confidence that we are serious about this entire procedure and process, and we would like to come to a solution at the earliest, but during that process we need to also maintain peace. So these steps will be taken. We expect that in the month of July we will be meeting again to review the reports or the progress of work of the different committees, and I'm very confident that with the leadership that we have in Assam, under the leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarmaji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we'll be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future.
Look, as Honorable CM Meghalaya has said, that this 6 area is little bit complicated in nature. So putting a time frame is probably not a very fair idea. But what we have agreed today, that we will again meet in the month of July to review the progress of the work done by our regional committees. So there will be some area where we can arrive at settlement earlier, some area it will take time. So in this meeting today, we have consciously decided not to put any time frame before us, but we have decided to meet again in the month of July.
How is 6 months?
Out of this 6 area, we have Lampi and we have also Khanduli Block 1, Block 2. And there people of both sides are emotive. It is not that the temperature is different in both the states. Both the states are emotive about this issue, and in Assam side, the question of autonomous district council also there, where Assam government do not directly have a control over the land. So these areas will be little bit difficult, but as CM Meghalaya said, when there is a will, there will be a way. Karbi Anglong is also part of Assam. There are administrative mechanisms where lands have been given to Karbi Anglong Council by the Constitution of India. But having said that, the representative from Karbi Anglong Council is also member of the regional committee. And you must understand that we are not two different entities. Whatever Assam government will decide, will take into Karbi Anglong into the confidence, and whatever Karbi Anglong will decide, they will take Assam government into confidence. So their issue is complicated, but when we want to resolve it, it can be resolved.